This is our insulator. It has 3 types of bayonets of fancy insulator are designed to work with various types of fence posts. Fit onto 8 to 19 millimeters overall round and round post. Hole size is 5.7 millimeter wide, 12 millimeter length. Could pass alloy line, poly-wire, poly-rope, and polytape. Wider application than usual. It is more safety. No conductivity material could create barrier to prevent loss of electrical charges and decreases risk of electrical shorts between electric fence and post. It is easy to use. Just loosen the tight knob. Then slide down the post into the install. Either wrap around or overall post. No additional tool required. It is long-lasting. Solid structure is unaffected by electric fence. Could prevent arcing, and its durability provides all-weather protection.